I just use my planner. I barely use this thing, but I try to, and it does help sometimes, but it also doesn't help a whole lot because, you know. Anyway, so I have just a goal to start editing Vlogmas by 9 p.m. and then my most important to-dos today are going to be apply for 2 jobs, create my no-buy plan, and then edit 5 TikToks. The 5 TikToks are going to be for today and tomorrow so that I can try and get ahead of it a little bit so that then tomorrow I can edit the 3 that go tomorrow and so on and so forth. But we'll see how that goes. I might edit more, who knows, like I could just instead like try to edit a shit ton at a time. I don't know if that will work better for me or not, but that's my goal for today. I'm still gonna just like chill for a sec because I'm still not feeling amazing, but I am feeling a little bit better, so start with that. Okay, you guys, I literally just submitted 3 applications, so more than my daily. So I feel like 2 is good because it kind of gets me on a roll, but I feel like 5 is too much because I feel like I usually kind of would do about 3, maybe 4 if I did easier applications. But the 2 applications I did before the 3rd one were like in-app applications, so that's not really what I meant by like seriously apply. But I did seriously apply to 3 total, all in an industry I'm super excited about and really hopeful for. So I think I'm gonna try and just continue to only apply in that industry for at least a week or 2 and see what I can do, because I really want to be in this industry, but I don't know. I'm gonna just manifest the job that's meant for me comes to me. And I just submitted my 4th application of the day and my 2nd super intentional one, so I'm feeling really good. We got that done, so yay.
My baby, it's so pretty. Do you want me to bring you here? I told you the sunset, my baby. Beautiful. There it is. Can we go up here? Here you go. What do you want? I love you. I thought you might want to see it.
So we just did quite a bit of organizing and we started our Christmas movie of the night. However, we forgot to watch one or fell asleep before we could watch one last night. So we are watching Eloise at Christmastime right now, and then we have also picked our next movie, which we landed on 1 for the dice. So we're going to be watching the Santa Claus movies in order next. I don't think we're going to start tonight, but Yeah. And I definitely, it's 10:21 and I haven't started editing anything, so didn't get to that, and I haven't completed everything on my list today, but I did complete the job applications, so I'm really happy